About painting, you do not know anything about how to electrical or do art and work, you know, with all the recycled stuff. Well, Tony is here to actually assist you. And of course, we have the workshop timing, and this is the brochure for you to understand. Visit us, contact us. Okay, this is made in Singapore, and of course, you know, right now I think Tony is going to show you how to cut the beer bottle. The Corona beer bottle. You drink the beer and keep the bottle.
Alright.
Okay.
This is my new assistant.
Oh, this is the assistant right here. But of course, whenever you do something, you must have the safety aspect. Number one, you got to be very safe with your goggles as well as your goalkeeper glove. You have to wear the glove, and you know, when you have your kids, your son, your daughter, you want to send them to the workshop, by all means go ahead. Because the next time they have things, you know, in the house, they can recycle it and become a work of art. You see, all this is a piece of wood. Tony found it at the seaside, which has already been washed out by the seawater. Okay, it's very smooth already. No need to take sandpaper. It's already been smooth. It's smooth enough. And then this is a bottle where he cut and make it into a lamp. And this is your basic tap. This is a basic extension, plus the old school switchboard. It's the old school switch on. I don't know whether you guys have seen this. I mean, the new generation, I don't think they have seen this before. This is Kampung days, you know. Kampung days on and off switch. This one very classic. This one classic. Okay, on and off switch. Okay. That's how you touch it. That's the term. Throw away lah. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut. But of course, when you cut this, all prepared with your safety goggles and your glove. And then, of course, when you talk about cutting the glass, you must buy a glass cutter. The glass cutter, you can purchase it at Home Fix. And of course, when you talk about this contraption here, it's all been modified by Tony. And when you want to cut the glass, you have to make a groove on the glass. Okay, groove on the glass. You can see the line all around the glass, around the bottle. Okay, the groove is there.
Alright.
Okay, let's put it there. And we're gonna make it more, we're gonna sink the glass cutter inside.
Slowly, yeah?
Slowly. Okay, you turn.
You need to be very hard.
Turn. And cut it. Now anybody can go to the workshop. Okay, anybody. You know, you have the free time to learn, go to the workshop. Okay, after that we have made the groove. We are going to adjust this clamp, and we're going to put another attachment which he made himself, and using the cordless screwdriver, because you can do it manually, you can turn it manually, but by using the cordless screwdriver it's going to be easier for you. And use a tape. Here we're going to use a tape, the cellophane tape, yeah, or even a masking tape also can. Okay, the whole idea is for you to make a glass or a goblet for your drinking, you know, or even for your candle holder. You know, you can make it as a candle holder. So we're going to put the attachment to the cordless screwdriver, and the guys are bringing pillows and neck pillows and corset all around here. After this, they're going to sleep. They're going to fall asleep, that's for sure. Alright, so hold the cordless screwdriver. Then we need a torch. Okay, the torch is to burn the glass. So you already have the groove there. So automatically when it gets hotter and hotter, it will break. Okay, we will detach. Okay, ready? Slowly, yeah. You can hear a cracking sound actually. Can you hear the crack? Can you hear the crack? Oh, I can hear the crack already. Oh, there you go. Looks nice, huh? But of course, please do not touch it with your hand or your fingers, because it's still sharp. Right? It's still sharp. This is the top part of the bottle. That's the bottom part of the bottle. So take your sandpaper, smooth the top, the inside and outside. And of course, you must wear your goggles and your mask if you have all that. It's not very safety, because we don't want the particles to come into your nose and your lungs. Okay, outside. This is all made from recycled bottles. You know, you have your beer bottles at home, your ketchup bottles. I also have a Jack Daniel bottle, the whiskey you go and drink, the bottle you go and make table lamp. Okay, you got Remy Martin or Jack Daniel. Oh, no, Jack Daniel, Remy Martin, all that stuff coming out. Okay, all the bottles you can. Okay, we smoothen up the sharpness, the edges. Then of course you can touch it lah. Now you can touch it. You can touch it, feel it. Don't want touch. Touch it, touch okay, smooth Okay, so but again, the number one safety is, you know, don't try this at home without anybody supervising. So this is the bottom, this is the top portion. So what we can do is we can make a candle holder, and you can glue it together with epoxy glue. Okay, the epoxy glue, you can glue it together. You can add on. You have to clean it, and then after that you have to glue it lah. But you can add on with some other toppings lah. We say toppings like pebbles, you know, some other ornaments that you want to make it. This is how you make it. Okay, let's give Tony a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And also this little girl here. Okay, graduate from XPC, made in Singapore. Okay, and of course the iron rod that you see here is it's not glass panel, it's an acrylic panel. Where I think many construction sites on Coco 21, there are a lot of iron they throw away. So Tony will go down there and take, and they make a tower out of it, a glass cabinet for it, acrylic cabinet. And of course, you know, you can see the goblet. So ladies and gentlemen, you know, you can turn it into something of an art. And if you want to know more detail, please ask Tony. Thank you so much, Tony.
Thank you.
We'll see you in a bit. Okay, please get the brochure, guys. Get the brochure, and also maybe you can support Tony by buying some of the goblet here that he made, $24.90, now going only at $18. You can make it as a candle holder. Very nice. Okay, support him. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you.
Glass cutters and